What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how you can make money on Instagram. This is something that a lot of people are doing now. It's becoming a lot more popular, and we're going to get right into it right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create an Instagram account. I'm sure you guys are already familiar with Instagram if you're watching this video. So you're going to want to make an account. Now, the thing about this, the most important part of this whole process is choosing a niche, okay? You don't want to post everything in the world. You want to post something in a specific niche, something monetizable preferably. So, for example, here are some niches that you could possibly choose from. Lifting, women's clothes, men's clothes, shoes, luxury products, surfing, anything like that, really. All these are great examples of things you can choose. Now, this is probably the hardest part, but you're going to want to build a following. So to do this, you need to post, at the beginning, you need to post around at least 5 times a day to start. Use hashtags on all your posts, ones that you think will get you more likes and followers. Comment on other posts, bigger accounts of similar niche channels. And when you comment, though, you don't want to make it seem like an ad, so just comment something relevant to that post, okay? And also follow these bigger accounts, because a lot of times people look at the followers of these big accounts and they'll just follow you. I actually listed a guide below that can help you to build your following on Instagram. You got to follow that to a T, and I guarantee you if you stick with it, you will get a big following. Now, the third thing is that in order to make money, there are a few ways you can do this. Now, the first way is what a lot of people do. You work with brands on sponsored posts. So let's say that you have a surfing account, and you post videos of people surfing, pictures of the ocean, things like that. And you have a following, 10,000 people or whatever. So a surfboard company might contact you, or you get in contact with them somehow. And depending on your followers and the amount of likes you usually get, they might pay you a certain amount of money to put a post up about their surfboard. So a common number that you'll see in this community is around $200 to $400. Now, a way you can find influencers is through a couple of marketplaces. One is called ShoutCart. You can sell a shout out on behalf of a brand. Another one is called Grapevine. You have to have 5,000 followers or more. You can list yourself in this marketplace, and it'll help you work with brands. And another one is called CrowdTap. So this helps you earn rewards. This is great for people that have like less of an audience. So if you only have like 500 followers, you can use this to make some money. That's for the USA only, though. Now, another way to make money on Instagram is through affiliate marketing. This way, your goal is to actually make sales. So you really want to try to get that content right to make sales and convert people. So you're going to get an affiliate link to a product. You're going to post it in this post that is going to show it off. And for every sale you make, you're going to get something like 5%
via commission, motherfucker,
of that sale. It's going to go straight to you. Now, there are a few ways you can do affiliate. This is a couple examples are Amazon affiliate. That is probably the most well-known one. And another one is called ClickBank. I recommend that you look through that. Lastly, another way that you can make money on Instagram is by opening your own store and selling your own products. Now, there's not much I can tell you about this because this is just all on you, basically. You need to come up with a product and you need to promote it and sell it. But this is where people make big money because you get to keep everything. So, yeah, these are some ways you can make some money on Instagram, and I wish you the best of luck. See you in the next vid.